And I'm meteorologist Kait Parker. That scene was just one that we saw this weekend. It was a tremendous weekend filled with dangerous weather, and it is not over yet. We're going to track where the severe is heading next. These severe storms have wreaked havoc across parts of the country this weekend. 4 people were killed, 2 in Arkansas and 2 in Texas. And today, the threat for severe weather stretches from Texas all the way to Michigan. So our Anna Rodriguez is live in Van, Texas. This is about 70 miles southeast of Dallas. This is where we did have the report of a tornado last night. You know, we don't have that official confirmation yet from the National Weather Service, but it's hard to imagine that the damage you're seeing there, Anna Rodriguez, was anything other than a... Welcome back to Weather Center Live. I want to give you a live update of what's happening on the radar because I know a lot of you are nervous about this flooding situation going on across Texas. South of College Station, we're talking down 45 of Huntsville. That's where our heaviest rain is currently located. Montgomery, San Jacinto counties there. You're under a flash flood warning. You can see how much rain has fallen. Just north of Conroe, look at this. You've had 4.2 inches of rain in the last 3 hours alone, a tremendous amount there. So this stretch obviously doesn't have a lot of movement to this rainfall. Look how it's kind of stationary almost. So Bastrop and Lee, you're going to continue with that flash flood warning until 11:15 a.m. Central Time. This rain just does not want to stop across Texas. That deluge of it still going on.
And you can see here where there are a couple of flash flood warnings currently in effect. Flash flooding either happening or about to happen in these warned areas. And
you can understand why. Notice how there's not a lot of movement to this system. I mean, it's just kind of training over the same area. These showers and these thunderstorms forming and dumping inches of rain in mere hours.
And the radar estimating in some cases about 3 inches of rain, so an inch an hour on average over the past 3 hours. And that does lead to some problems that we have been seeing around Austin as well. A little bit more of the heavier rain kind of scattered about Austin at this time.
Yeah, Bastrop and Lee counties, they're under a flash flood warning. And then getting into Alexandria, you're starting to get into some of that rain as well into Louisiana.
Meanwhile, to the north.